Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile. Again, it's not as simple or straightforward as you would expect, but once you've done it, that's it. So first thing to do is make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then you've got here mode, settings and info. Now I would have gone for mode or settings first, but if you click info, you've then got the mobile phone here. So click mobile phone. Nothing there at first glance, but the arrow here at the bottom, if you click that for the further menu, then you've got reset all pairing lock registration. So pairing. Pair device. The connection between device and progress, use the passkey 1212. Hands-free system there. Click on hands-free system. 1212 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I don't want to do that, but you probably will. Hands-free, there you go, it's showing on the screen and it's showing here connected. So that's how to pair a mobile.